10% service charge was a right granted to hotel workers by a parliamentary committee which has been discontinued last year by the central government. We are opposing that. And we are opposing the contract labor system. Day before yesterday, 2 days ago, government has decided to bring out new legislation to cover employees, as a result of which it is not possible to have any permanent employees in any sector. So we are opposing the changes government is introducing in the labor sector, labor law changes. We are opposing that. In support of all these demands, national level trade union organization, government recognized 11 central trade union organizations. They have taken a collective decision along with other unions and federations all over the country. Once again, we should stand together and oppose the attack on the working class, attack on the workers, irrespective of the sector, whether it's a private sector, public sector, or in manufacturing sector or service sector. On January 8th, there is going to be a nationwide one-day strike. All workers and unions have agreed, irrespective of the party affiliation, to the best of my knowledge, including the ruling party affiliated union, that is Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh, they have also taken a decision that we must oppose it. They will participate in the strike, I don't know. But all other unions have decided to participate in the strike. And in the hotel industry, in our convention, in our conference yesterday and today, we have decided that we must extend full support to the demands raised by the national level training centers, and we must participate in demonstration, agitation and the campaign